Good morning, students. We are studying the chapter Early History of Deccan and South India, in which we are studying about Meghalith culture. So, students, in the previous video, we have completed the chapter up to the Cheras. Now, students, we are going to take up administration in the Southern Kingdoms. कि किस तरह से एडमिनिस्टर किया जाता था अपनी की किंगडम को, किस तरह की रूल्स रेगुलेशंस थे, क्या सिस्टम का सेटअप था. The Sangam literature tells us that the territory during the period of southern kingdoms was divided into 5 geographical zones: hills and forests. So, students, according to Sangam literature, that is the name of a literature, that tells us about the history of South India, southern kingdoms. Territories कैसी थी उस टाइम पे, वो बताते हैं कि territory during the period of southern kingdom it was divided into 5 geographical zones. geographical basis पे किस तरह का relief है, forest है, उन basis पे territory was divided into 5 zones. Number 1, hills and forest, that was known as Kurinji. Then it was pasture land, Mullai, fertile land, coastal land, and arid land. So, students, number 1, hills and forest area, pasture land, then fertile land, coastal land, and arid land. The king was assisted and advised by a council of ministers. So, king, he worked with the assistance of council of ministers. So, ministers were there to help the king in taking decisions. He maintained a large army of soldiers, horses, elephants, etc. Students, king had a large army in which soldiers were there, horses were there, elephants were there. The soldiers patrolled the roads to ensure the safety of the merchants. So, students, there soldiers, they used to move here and there. They used to keep a check on the roads to ensure the safety of the merchants, ताकि उनके साथ कोई भी लूट जैसे इंसिडेंट्स ना हो. Now, students, society and religion. So, what kind of society was there? Which religion was followed by South Indian peoples? The society of South India was also caste ridden like the North India. Students, here also in South India also there was a caste system like North India. The Brahmins and the Kshatriyas dominated the other castes. So here also Brahmins and the Kshatriyas, they were on the top position. The kings donated large pieces of land to the temples. So kings, what they did? They donated large pieces of land to the temples, which were the centers of worship as well as administration. So students, whatever they have donated to the temples, they became the center of worship as well as administration, culture and meeting places to solve the problem. जो किंग ने डोनेट किए हुए थे लैंड, वहाँ पे क्या होता था? एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड की जाती थी और जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी उनको सॉल्व भी किया जाता था. The worship of God Vishnu became popular. So Lord Vishnu, he was a popular god at that time. The people living along the sea coast also worshipped sea god and god Murugan. So that is Kartikeya in North India. So those people who used to live along sea coast, they used to worship sea god also, and Lord Murugan is the other name of Kartikeya. According to North Indians, the name is Kartikeya. Some people also followed Buddhism and Jainism. So there were some people who followed Buddhism as well as Jainism also. The people of South India loved music, dance and poetry. So they loved music also, dancing also and poetry also. They celebrated fairs and festivals in their leisure time. So they used to celebrate fairs also, festivals also in their free time. So what was their occupation? Agriculture was the main occupation of the people. So agriculture was their main occupation. They used plowshare, sickle, some other tools for cultivation. So students, they used various tools for their cultivation, for their agriculture. They grew rice, sugarcane, pulses, spices, etc. So rice also they grew, sugarcane, pulses and spices. These things they used to grow in their fields. The kings built canals for irrigation. Land revenue and trade were the most important sources of the state income. So the kings, they built canals also for irrigation so that people can get water for agriculture. Then land revenue and trade, these were the most important sources of the state income also. तो स्टेट की इनकम कैसे होती थी? जो टैक्सेस लिए जाते थे लोगों से. ऑल द थ्री किंगडम्स हैड ट्रेड रिलेशंस विद मैनी कंट्रीज. सो जितनी भी हमने अभी 3 किंगडम्स पढ़ी हैं उन सबके ट्रेड रिलेशन किसके साथ थे? विद मैनी कंट्रीज लाइक इजिप्ट, रोम, अरब्स, मलाया एंड चाइना. देन small merchants lived along the coast. Small merchants, those who were small merchants, they used to live along the coastal areas. बिल्कुल coast में ही रहते थे वो. मुजीरीज, कवेरी पट्टनम, कोरकाई were the important trade centers of Cholas, Pandyas and the Cheras respectively. So चोलास का सबसे बड़ा important center कौन सा था ट्रेड का? मुजीरीस. पांड्यास का कावेरी पट्टनम और शेराज का कोरकाई. द मेन आइटम्स ऑफ ट्रेड वर पर्ल्स, प्रीशियस स्टोन्स, टेक्सटाइल एंड आइवरी. सो जिन चीज़ों का ट्रेड किया जाता था वो क्या था? पर्ल्स, प्रीशियस स्टोन्स, टेक्सटाइल्स ऑल्सो एंड आइवरी. द फॉरेन ट्रेडर्स ब्रॉट कॉपर, टिन, ग्लास, वाइन, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर टू इंडिया. एंड फॉरेन ट्रेडर्स वो क्या लेकर आते थे अपने साथ? दे यूज टू ब्रिंग कॉपर, टिन, ग्लास, वाइन, गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर टू इंडिया. द ट्रेड कॉन्टैक्ट्स हेल्प्ड इन द स्प्रेड ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर इन द कंट्रीज ऑफ साउथ ईस्ट एशिया. बिकॉज ऑफ द ट्रेड कॉन्टैक्ट्स ओनली हमारा कल्चर क्या हुआ? बाकी जगह पे भी स्प्रेड अप हुआ था. Now students, we will do exercise. Take the correct option. What were the first indication of megalith culture in South India? So that is C, stone circles. What culture did the megalithic culture give rise to? It gave rise to Satvahana. The Pandyas set up their capital at Madurai. The Satvahana dynasty came to end in 220 CE. The Sangams during the Pandyas' rule were held at Madurai. Now students, fill in the blanks. Deccan region is to the south of Vindhya mountain and Narmada river. King Simuka was the founder of Satvahana's empire. The megalithic people surrounded the graves with large pieces of stone called megaliths. Canals for irrigation were built by kings. Nedunjarel and Sengutwan were the rulers of Cheras dynasty. Now students, we have matched the following. So number 1, Deccan, Dakshinapath, God Murugan, that is कार्तिकेय. देखो मैं यहाँ पे मैच कर देती हूँ. God Murugan, that is कार्तिकेय. Megalithic people, that is first iron users. Chaitya is temple. Vihara, that is monastery. Okay students, so up to here we will do today. These question answers we will do in the next video, and these are to be done in your book. Complete your homework in time and revise the chapter. Thank you students, have a nice day.